Make your neighbors hate you with the 2024 Ford Mustang's remote rev. Yeah, they will hate you. What are you doing? Why you got to rev from a distance? Although, I don't know, if anybody with a remote starter and a loud exhaust, you can kind of do that. I guess you're not revving it, but you can make some noise. Mm-hmm. This is hilarious. The feature has a simple, elegant name on the key fob, Remote Rev. We've heard about it in the past, official launch 2024 Mustang, and now we got it on video. All right, let's see what it looks like. Yeah, you start your engine. Sounds good.
A little bit of fun.
You know what I will say is, for people that are into it, like I have some cars that sound kind of good. Well, I have one car that sounds good, and I have had people request like rev it, and I'm like, really? What do you want me to
rev it?
Rev it.
Oh, they want you to do that. Rev
it, like I want to hear it.
Right.
And I'll just be in a parking lot. And I'll be like, all right. So some people they really get off on the sound, man. No, it's a nice sound. Would you agree it's a nice sound?
It's a very nice sound.
So, but yeah, the neighbors, maybe not super into it, especially when you first get it and you're like, look what I can do. And everyone that comes over, you're like, look what I can do. Look what I can do. And it's just constant revving
I think it's one of those features that are just strictly really good for the owner and no one else.
No, the people who are asking.
The people who enjoy it as well.
Who don't have to live next door.
Yeah.